1, 2, 10, 3, 4, 5. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, in this video I will show how you can do an exercise to burn your belly fat. This is 3 effective exercises to burn belly fat at home. Let me show you. This is an effective exercise to burn belly fat at home. 1, 2, 10, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This is 3 effective exercises to burn belly fat at home. Then stay like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you stretch. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, count it 20, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So guys, this is the second one. Let me take you to the third one. Like, you stand like this, then you go. This leg must go to this side, this one must go to this side. This is an effective exercise that you can do at home to burn belly fat. 3 exercises that you can do. This one, you stay like this, you go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Guys, you see, this is 3 effective style exercise that you can do at home without even going to the gym to burn your belly fat at home. So guys, if you like this video, make sure you do like, subscribe, and share it to people for others to see it and join us. This is our morning routine. Every day we drop videos.